Hey everyone, again Mobile Munch here. Today we're taking a closer look at the highly anticipated Realme C63, a phone that promises impressive features at an affordable price. This budget-friendly device is set to launch soon, and we're here to break down everything you need to know. First impressions: big screen, durable design. The Realme C63 boasts a large 6.75-inch IPS LCD display with a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate. This makes scrolling and browsing feel incredibly fluid, and at 560 nits peak brightness, you can enjoy vibrant visuals even outdoors. The phone comes in two stylish colors, leather blue and jade green, and features a durable build with either a glass front and plastic back or an eco-friendly silicone polymer back that resembles leather. It's also IP54 dust and splash resistant, adding a layer of protection against the elements. Performance and storage, handling everyday needs. Under the hood, the Realme C63 is powered by the Unisoc T612 processor, which is built on a 12nm process for efficient performance. Paired with 6GB or 8GB of RAM, depending on the configuration you choose, this phone should handle everyday tasks like browsing the web, checking social media, and streaming videos without any issues. Storage options range from 128GB to 256GB, so you can store all your apps, photos, and games without worrying about running out of space. Capture memories with the 50-megapixel main camera. While the Realme C63 focuses on affordability, it doesn't compromise on the camera. The back features a single 50-megapixel main sensor with PDAF, phase detection autofocus, for capturing sharp and clear photos. This is a significant upgrade compared to its predecessors, offering improved image quality. There's also an LED flash for low-light situations. Long-lasting battery and fast charging. One of the biggest highlights of the Realme C63 is its massive 5,000 mAh battery. This beast of a battery should easily last you a full day or even longer on a single charge with moderate usage. And when you do need to top up, the 45-watt fast charging support will get you back up and running in no time. Is it the perfect budget phone for you? The Realme C63 is a compelling option for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable smartphone. With its large display, smooth performance, decent camera, long-lasting battery, and fast charging, it offers a lot of value for the price. If you're on a budget and prioritize everyday functionality, the Realme C63 is definitely worth considering. So that's our look at the upcoming Realme C63. Are you excited about this new budget-friendly phone? Let me know in the comments below what features are most important to you in a budget smartphone. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.